Good morning children, welcome to your EVS class. So today we will be doing a new topic. We will be doing the topic domestic animals. What topic will we do? We will talk about domestic animals. Let me stick this here. Domestic animals. Domestic animals are those animals which live on a farm. वो वाले जानवर जो फार्म में रहते हैं. So they live on a farm. So here we have a small farm. This is a picture of a farm. Now whose farm is this? This is Old MacDonald's farm. This is Old MacDonald and this is his farm. So let me take him to the farm. So Old MacDonald has a number of animals in his farm. So shall we look at the animals? Let's start. He has a hen and he has a small chick. Old MacDonald has a hen and a chick in his farm. So we'll make the hen stand here and the chick stand next to the hen. So he has a hen. This is a hen. And he has a chick. This is a chick. Then which animal does MacDonald have? He has a sheep. This is a sheep. He has a sheep. See what a cute little sheep this is. He has a sheep in his farm. So let me stick the sheep here. And here it's me. Now what animal does he have next? He has a pig. Oh, it's a pink color pig. It's a pig. Oink, 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 oink goes the pig. And let's take the pig here and make him stand here. Can you see the pig? Here he has the pig. Now there's another animal which Old MacDonald has and it's swimming in the water. What animal is this? This is a duck. It is a duck. It goes quack, 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 quack. It goes quack, 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 quack and it is swimming in the water. So let me put the duck here. Can you see the duck? Then he has another animal. The animal that gives you milk which you drink. Yes, it is a cow. The next animal on MacDonald's farm is a cow. See? So where do you want me to make the cow stand? We'll make it stand here. And here. The next animal that MacDonald has is this animal. What animal is this? This is a dog. It goes bow, bow, bow. Yes, it barks and it is man's best friend. So where do I put the dog? I'll put the dog here. Next to the farmer, next to Old MacDonald. The next animal we have is a horse. This is a horse. The next animal we have is a horse. It is used in the farm to carry things from one place to another. So let me put the horse here. Here. Now we have the last animal on the farm. Can you guess the name of this animal? It goes meow, meow, meow. Yes, it is a cat. This animal is a cat. So we'll put the cat here. We'll put the cat here. Can you see the cat? So Old MacDonald has so many animals in his farms. So now we will sing a rhyme about Old MacDonald and the animals on his farm. So let's start. Old MacDonald farm he had some chicks. E-I-E-I-O. With a chick chick here and a chick chick there. Here a chick, there a chick, everywhere a chick chick. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some sheep. He had some sheep. With a bear here and a bear there. Here a bear, there a bear, everywhere a bear. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some pigs. With a oink oink here and a oink oink there. Here a oink, there a oink, everywhere a oink oink. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a cow. What sound does a cow make? With a moo moo here and a moo moo there. Here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo moo. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a horse. With a neigh neigh here and a neigh neigh there. Here a neigh, there a neigh, everywhere a neigh neigh. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a dog. E-I-E-I-O. With a bow wow here and a bow wow there. Here a bow, there a bow, everywhere a bow wow. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a cat. Yes. E-I-E-I-O. With a meow meow here and a meow meow there. Here a meow, there a meow, everywhere a meow meow. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Now which animal is left? Can you guess which one is left? Yes, the duck is left. So he had a duck on his farm. With a quack quack here and a quack quack there. Here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack quack. Old MacDonald had a big farm with so many animals. These animals are known as domestic animals and they live on the farm. Shall we do the animals once again? Yes. We have the hen and its baby the chick. Then we have the sheep. This is the sheep. Then we have the pig. This is a pig. It goes oink oink. We have the cow. The milk that you drink, you get from the cow. You have the cat, which goes meow meow. And we have man's best friend, the dog, who goes bow wow. Then we have the horse. He helps us carry things and he goes neigh neigh neigh. And we have the duck, which swims in the pond and it goes quack 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 quack. And all these animals, they live in a farm. You find all domestic animals on a farm. So please do this with your mama at home. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.